Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Hi, good evening to all. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, Vinodini ma'am, you can start with the session. Kindly check your
Yes.
screen sharing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening to one and all. Hope you're fine. Yes, I want this session to be very interactive. Only four people are there, so we can utilize the session very well. So kindly be interactive. Yes, teachers. Hope you can see the slide what I have shared. Yes. Okay, I would like to, yes, some chat box is popping out. Okay, okay, good, fine. And now let us move inside the content. And I would like to welcome all the teachers behalf of Sri Narayani Center of Learning. And hope you all will move up with the proverb that light tomorrow with today. Since we are all teachers, we have to do that. We have to learn day by day so that we will groom up in our daily life. Yes, the next thing, just I want to introduce myself. Today we are going to deal about happy classroom, and myself Vinodini Ramachandran, MA MR DTED, and I'm working as a principal in Future Senior Secondary School, which is in Ambur. And I'm also an orientation facilitator, motivational speaker, author, and the organizer. And before moving inside the topic, just I want you people to have a fun game with me. Just I have given the rapid fire poll for you. If you like coffee, just you go with coffee, or tea, just you can put your comment in the chat box. Then we will start the session. I have shared you that either you can go for coffee or a tea, online teaching or offline teaching. Chalk method, you can utilize chalk and board, the marker, and you can use you can be strict or friendly in the classroom. Whether you will prefer morning classroom or afternoon classes, will you go for the homeworks or for the projects, and do you like to have the lesson plan with you, or will you go for spontaneous teaching? Shall we start, teachers? Please start commenting yourself. You can put the comment in the chat box. Yes. Yes, very good. I could not see any message right now. Okay, okay, teachers, you can work on towards it. I'm moving to the next slide. So where we are going to deal. Yes. So first of all, before moving inside the topic, do you, yes, some three charts are there. Okay, T, classroom, marker, and you want a friendly classroom and morning classes, very good, and you will go for the projects instead of homework. Nice, Ishwari ma'am, great. Yes, super ma'am. Now let's come to the point. Do you all agree that a happy classroom will be made by the teachers? If a teacher is happy, the classroom will be happy. Is that so? Are you all okay with this? If so, just give a thumbs up for me. Yes? Yes? Are you all okay with that? Yes, okay, okay. Super. Uh, nice. Okay, super, super, super. Yes, you all need, you're all agreeing with my quote that a happy teacher makes a happy classroom. So, why it is important to make a classroom happy? Why is creating a happy classroom necessary? That is the question in front of you. I want you to be interactive. Please text your message in the chat box. Yes, I could not see any message right now. Why is creating a happy classroom necessary?
Good evening, ma'am.
No ideas? Yes?
Good evening, ma'am. This side Ishwari. So I think it is very necessary. Agar if I am not happy, so I am not teaching well on that day.
Okay.
If I am tense, so the transfer, I think the tension transfer going to the children only.
Very good, ma'am. Very
Ma'am.
good.
So
Yes. Super.
if I am happy, I am feel good, I am feel healthy. So I can transfer each one topic or one line should be in their heart, on their mind also.
Yes, yes. Great, 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 madam. Yes.
And I am teaching the nursery classes.
Super.
So thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. First of all, since you're from nursery class, the one thing I would like to appreciate you, ma'am. Not only you, the people, those who are handling nursery are all like gods. You know, the fresh clay is given to you people, and you're going to mold it into a great statues. So, hats off for all the nursery teachers. And now, what you have said is obviously right, madam. If the teacher is happy, the entire classroom will be happy, and so the emotion of the teacher is very much important to deal with the children. Yes, great. Okay, and what all the other things? Let us go for the thing. As a teacher, for making the classroom as a better one and a happy one, what all the knowledge we must have, those are the things we are going to see. But before moving inside, I would like to share about the survey taken by the research people. Especially these research people, what they have done, they went to the Delhi schools and they have shared the happy curriculum to the schools, and they have collected the data. From that data, what they have observed is, when the teacher is happy and when she teaches very happily in the class, the entire classroom was grooming like something else. The children started to share their content to the teacher, and they are built with the self confidence and the values what they want to, what the teachers are expecting is coming out like something else. So this is a research people what they have given as a data in the newspaper also. So the only thing what we have to follow is, we have to be happy and we have to make the curriculum very happily. Only with the help of teaching methodologies we can do that, and apart from that we must have certain knowledge to make the happy classroom. And before going inside that, a few questions I would like to put in front of you. The first is, what is a happy classroom? Just going inside the classroom and giving the entertainment, is that happy classroom? Will that be a happy classroom, teachers? Yes?
No, ma'am. No, no.
No, very
Not at
good,
all.
very good. Yes, it will not be happy classroom. So the happy classroom is something different, na? We will deal one by one. So from your point of view, you can share the ideas. Who should we work on it? If you want to make the classroom happy, on whom we have to work on it, teachers?
Usually the nursery teachers are using playway method.
Yes, 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 very
Like,
good.
yes,
We are using playway method.
suppose,
Methodology is quite good.
Hanji, suppose we have to introduce a circle.
Yeah,
So we will start in Hindi. We are like a poem. Mummy ki bindi gol gol,
yeah,
Papa ke
yes.
paise gol gol. So they will repeat after us, and we can show, and we can like a ringer roses. We can round
Yes.
go in the tree also. So many things we have in
Okay,
our
okay,
class
ma'am.
health.
Okay, super, ma'am. So the last point on this question will be, who should we work on it? Certainly, we have to work on the methodologies, and more than methodologies, both the teacher and student must be happy. So we have to work on both of them. So see, teachers, one thing, in the early morning, when we are quitting or when we are going out from the house, sometimes we do have some family problems. Especially sometimes mother-in-law used to say, why I have not done this, why I have not done those things. She may be yelling at us, but even though when we are coming out of all those obstacles and going in front of the children with the happy mood, entire class is going to be happy. So the teacher is going to be happy, and the children, we have to make them happy, and the methodology what we are going to use in the inside the class must bring the happiness to the kids. Okay, teachers. Yes, I could see. I want to see that messages. 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, one new message. Yes, sometimes we have, of course, a happy teacher will learn much better. It all depends on the environment. Very good, who's that, ma'am? Please tell your name. Sonam, am I right? And AR, yes, okay, great. Ambli Ramachandran, I'm so happy to see your messages. Very good. Yes, actually we have to have the we do have some work pressures, teachers. Yes, I agree with you. See, one thing I would like to share to you people, the profession what we have chosen is not about salary or something else. We are going to deal with the live objects. So it's not like sitting in front of a computer or with the machines and just like repairing or doing something else. It's all about skill. It's all about a life. So sometimes we do have pressures. So we have to come out of that. So we will deal with all the emotional intelligence, what do the teachers have and how to overcome those things. Okay, yes, teachers. Now just we can work on to the next questions. Why do you think it is necessary? And we have given the answer. So I will move to the next slide. Yes, and strategies for happy classroom. So if you want to make a happy classroom, what you have to do? First, you are in need of integration of positive, emotionally secured learning environment. See, here comes our emotion also. See, actually, teachers, you know one thing, these emotions now, it will be overflowing like something else. So we have to control it. In the when we are going inside the class, we do have certain people in our class who makes her to be more anger. Am I right? Yes. Do we have such a children in our class? Do we have children teachers? Yes. Yes, obviously we have certain children who will raise our anger in the early morning, whether it may be a KG or it may be whatever the classes it may be. They will raise. Yes, madam. Yes, of course. They will raise they will raise our emotion. So what you have to do, teachers? You know one thing. We have to have some strategies inside our class. The first thing is we have to create the learning environment for them. See, we can divide the children into 3 categories. One will be just, they will be sitting simply and they will be listening just like a, what is that, champers. They will get the light and they will start to bloom. Okay. And some people, they will be very average. We have to boost up them, and other sort of people, only those people, especially future achievers, okay, or the slow learners or the slow bloomers, they are going to make our emotions to make it high. Just see, if they are not going to score good mark, randomly we will be getting calls from the parents. Not only the parents, even the management from all the side, they are going to pressure us. They will not think that we too are human being and why can't we do that. So for these things, we must have certain classroom rules. Is that clear, teachers? See, you can encourage the children, you can motivate the children, and you can make them to do something else. So first, what you have to do for balancing the emotion of the children as well as yourself, you have to set the learning environment in a positive way. And how we can do that, I will explain you in the next slide. And what all the other strategies you can follow to make the classroom happy. Just go for the innovative pedagogy teachers, and that's what innovative methodology you can utilize. And another thing, just focus on the strong teacher student relationship. See, in my experience, I have seen certain children, because of the teacher, they have changed entirely. See, for example, I was handling 10th standard before 4 to 5 years, and that boy, he was in 10th standard, but he doesn't know to spell a word, okay, and he don't know ABCD also. I have trained that boy, and he has got very good mark in English. Very good mark in the sense, it is not 90, 99 like that teachers. He got 58. That is a very good mark for him, even for me, because he doesn't know ABCD. And how come he can evolve like that? This is because of the student-teacher relationship. So some children, we do have certain sort of children teachers. The first thing is, we will be having a single child, the child who came from the family as a single one, and the elder children will be there, and the younger children will be there. As per the psychology, one thing, teachers, the elder children, the data also says the very stressed person in the family will be the first child or the eldest child. So as per what they require from the teacher, just a tapping, just a love, just an encouragement. If you are doing this, automatically, we have to understand each and every child's psychology has to be studied by the teacher, or else it will be very difficult for us to handle the children teachers. Okay, now let us go for these strategies which will help us. Okay, I have said first we have to give the secure and the learning environment. For the secure learning environment, what we have to do? That's what I said, we have to create the positive classroom rules. What all the positive classroom rules we can create, teachers? Just put up your answers in the chat box. Yes, teachers. What all the positive classroom rules you can create? Positive rules in the sense, you can't make you could not say the child, be quiet, sit down, not like that, something differently. Yeah, it must be positive, and it has to be approachable for the children also. Just put 2 to 3 points, each 1 point, please. Yes, very good. Okay, collaboration. Then madam, please, next collaboration. Anything else? Positive classroom rules. So one thing, teachers, I have seen one of the teacher in my experience, whenever she goes inside the class, she will do like this. She will just close her eyes and she will do 1, 2, 3. Within that, all the children, just like that, they will sit in their places. So you can use, sometimes you can clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. So this is one of a rule. As soon as the teacher comes in, they have to settle in their place. See, one more case study what I have done is, after this COVID, after this pandemic, most of the children lost their ability to listen to the teacher. Am I right? Have you seen the difference in between before COVID time and after the pandemic time? Have you seen these changes in your children teachers? Yes? Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, very good. Yes. Why, see, after this pandemic time, these people have not came into the position, and again the rules for them as not at all given. So as soon as the teacher comes in, the child must close everything, just he or she must listen to the teacher. So for these things, first we have to segregate the classroom rules, teachers. So what are the classroom rules you can give to the children? Just you can frame it in a chart, or you can say to them orally. Just stick it in the class so that it will be more easy for them. First, make them to listen to what the teacher says. That will be the first point. Whenever you're inside the class, ask the children to listen to you. And next, what you can do? In anything else, teachers, what are the positive classroom rules you can create? What you have done? You might have done certain things inside your class. Yes. Anybody else? Do you have any idea on it? No? Shall I carry on? Okay. Teachers, just you can make a set of rules with. Yes, somebody has texted the message. Just I will check it, ma'am, please. Yeah. Raise your hands. Very good. Yes, superb. Yeah, we must ask the children to raise their hands when they want. So that, see teachers, one thing, if all the children are making a noise, sometimes our emotion will be taken over and we will be shouting at them. So to avoid these things, ask them to raise their hands. Super. Then, anything else? Anything else? That's all? Okay, teachers. I want to do the homework after this session. What are the positive classroom rules you can frame inside your class to have a happy classroom? Just work it out and implement. Yes, very good. Wait for your turn. Superb. Yes, teachers. Okay. The next thing is, I will go to the next point. What is that? It is to create a diversity and inclusivity. It is very mandatory thing, teachers. Why? We do have different kinds of children inside our class. Okay, they may from different religion, they may be from different culture, and they may speak different language. Gender differentiation is there, and more than that, the children, they do not have the same ability. Okay, so each one varies their skill, each one varies in their ability. So we have to understand them, and based on that we have to work towards it. So that is what. So we have to create a diversity and inclusivity. So whatever the language they speaks, whatever the culture may they belongs to, or whatever the ability may be, what you have to do? If you are going to be in my class, you will be respected, you will be valued, you will be accommodated by whatever the thing I want to give, you will be getting that. If you are making your children to get that idea, damn sure they will be happy in the class. Okay, and at last the point is building positive relationship. It is very mandatory for all the teachers now. Not only with the one more thing, teachers. So emotionally, if we want to strong, first what we have to do? Yes, what we have to do? Daily we have to sit and do the yoga meditation. Am I right? Yes? Yes, is that so, teachers? Come on, tell me. If you want to be strong, mentally want to strong, emotionally want to strong, yes madam, yes, okay, we can do yoga, meditation, and then this building positive relationship will comes for us also. How come? See, most probably what we will do whenever we goes inside the school, just like that we will put on our head and we will go. Only with our friends we will say, hi, good morning, that's all. We will not wish other teachers, other colleagues, we will not do that. So first you change yourself, teachers. Whenever you are going inside the school, just start to wish each other. See, nothing is there in this life. Just today we may be in that particular school, or tomorrow we may be there. in some other school, it's not about where we are, and it's all about how positively we are making the relationship between the team members. More than that, one more thing, these children or they know, just like that they will observe us and they will learn from us. If we are okay, if we are moving with all the teachers, just like that they will also mingle with others. So this is what building positive relationship is very very important, teachers. So how come you can build the positive relationship, teachers? Come on, any
Early
idea?
morning we have to punch the card, ma'am.
Ma'am,
When we
please.
punch early morning, we have to punch the card in our school.
Very good. Early morning we have to punch
Yes.
our card so that
Then
we will not
so
at
many
all fear
teachers
for
are
we will.
there.
Yes.
So many teachers are there. We wish them good morning, teachers. So one smile can touch. Matlab you can connect each other.
Very good. Very good. Smile.
Yes,
Sometimes
ma'am. Smile and
just
good
with
morning,
the,
ma'am. That's it. That's it.
just
Nothing
with
is
the
else.
frown face we will be moving inside the class. Especially
Yes.
you might have seen this higher secondary teachers. I have watched them. There is a difference in between. As soon as we grow up, okay, when we are handling the classes also it varies now. It's not about whether higher secondary or senior secondary or middle school or the primary or the pre-primary. It's not at all a thing, teachers. The only thing is, all if you're happy, you can make your children be happy. So first we have to build a positive relationship. So with the help of good communication, okay, with the help of good communication, you can groom up yourself with the positive relationship, and the same thing you can teach to your children also. Yes, some commands are there. Yes, ma'am. Okay, something else. Okay, encourage and appreciate the students. Very good, Suji ma'am, you're right. We have to encourage them and appreciate them. And next, what all the other things we can do for building the positive relationship? Even in our home you can do, in your house you can do, for building a positive relationship between yourself and your mother-in-law. Just you what you have to do, just you listen to them, that's all. If you are listening, just they will start grooming up with you. So the same thing you teach your children also. First you have to bring the habit of listening to others. Without listening to others words, how come the child is going to have the positive relationship? That will not be possible now. So you have to encourage, and more than that, few more. Yes. Ma'am, please mute yourself. Deepa Rawat, kindly mute yourself. Okay, now something else from you shall I expect? Only two are posting the message to me. Apart from them, what about the others? Any idea, teachers, to build positive relationship? Listening, we have to listen, I said, and we have to communicate, we have to greet, and then yes, very good. What's that? Start the day with smile, eye contact, cheerful greeting. Superb. Yes. Okay, teachers. I will move to the next point. The thing is mutual respect. We have to teach the children to give the respect, mutual respect. Sometimes the children, they doesn't know to respect each other. So this may end in the breakout of the relationship. So you have to teach that. And next thing is asking sorry. Even now at this age, what we have to do, if you are doing any mistake, whatever the age may be, just we have to apologize to them, teachers. So that is a good habit, so it will not break your relationship. So teach this to your children also. And the next slide, let us move. Okay, so now let us go inside the innovative pedagogies, teachers. So pedagogy is nothing but the teaching methodology. So this is a very important part. Okay, so before going inside the class, just a few minutes, teachers, I want you to give the answer for few questions. Okay, just listen to the question. You no need to hesitate. Whatever the answer comes to you, just you put it. Okay, what makes you to be happy in the classroom? as a student. Just you, now you are all a student. Just you think your school days. We are all going to the school days. We are very happy about that. Just you think about your school days. What made you to be happy in your classroom or in the school, whatever it may be, in the classroom? Shall I text to you?
Playtime allow Venom
What? Yes, madam.
to allow the playtime.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay, okay. If the free period is there, we will be obviously happy. Yes. What made you to be? 1 minute, ma'am. I will just text the message in the group so that others can answer. The classroom. Okay. Yes. So I have seen a few answers. Activities, appreciation, listening to story. Superb, 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 superb. This is what the teaching methodologies teachers. This is what the teaching methodologies we are going to see. 1 minute. See, if anything else, madam, please. Someone else has said something. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, the tone, the teacher's tone should be very,
Ma'am, please.
tone, ma'am, the voice tone of the teacher should be very soothing. It should be encouraging, kind. It should not be yelling or shouting in the class.
Deepa, ma'am.
Ma'am, tone. The tone of the teacher.
Ma'am, just you put it in chat box what you're going to say because I could not understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, I'm audible now.
School function, peer group, super, 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 super. The same thing, teachers. What you're going to do is just put what you have said. The same thing you're going to put in the pedagogy. So, if your pedagogy is going to be based on the student centered, really what you have felt happy when you're with the peers, when you're with the friends, when you're going for some activity, when you're getting appreciation, all these things you just put it in student center pedagogy and you will lead a happy classroom and you will be happy, your children will be happy and their management will be happy about your presentation. Yes, teachers, few examples I will say regarding the student center pedagogy. See, now one of the member has said that when our teacher says story, yes, when my teacher says yes, trip and picnic, superb, ma'am. Yes, superb. So when you're starting the class with some storytelling, okay, that is the student center pedagogy. Just do it, you will be getting a happy classroom. Yes, and trip, just you can plan for the trip also. You can plan for small trips in and around your schools. Just for example, if you want to teach about basic concepts regarding environment, fix a place. There will be a farm near your hometown. Just fix the place, get the permission from the management, take the school bus, go to that place and show the environment, show the field, how it is working, everything. It is all about environment. Huh? Not only that, just you can take the children outside your classroom, you can take them to playground. That is a big strategy. What you have said, no, when I'm free, when we are in ground, we will be happy. So do that. See, teachers, one thing you know, if you are taking the children outside the classroom, really they will be happy. Make a trip. My school do miracles inside the classroom. So this is what we are having. Different types of pedagogies based on the student center. Example, storytelling is there. Then we can go for playway method, activity based method, project method, demonstration method. So we are having different types of pedagogies and we do have session for that. Okay, so during that session really I will touch those points. What are the different pedagogies we can use inside the classroom? Yes, 1 minute. Yes, very good, ma'am. Yes, very good. Learning by doing. Learning by doing is for a science, for teaching science. It is very useful to use that method. Learning by doing. Superb. Now let us go into the next track, that is integrated learning. Now, as per the NE 2020, it is there. It is a mandatory thing to be done inside the classroom. What do you mean by integrated learning, teachers? Any idea? Using
Ma'am,
smart
including
board.
all the subjects when like you are teaching maths, so you can include animals also, you can
Super,
include
ma'am.
drawing also, music also, rhyme.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Superb, superb. Yes, this is what. Integration is nothing but taking the subject, integrating the subject. For example, yes, thematic way of teaching. Super, ma'am. Super, ma'am. Yes, superb. And now let us come into the integrated learning. Integrated learning is nothing but integrating the subject, integrating the art, integrating the life skill, integrating the sports. These are all the various types of integration we do have in the integrated learning. As per the NEP 2020, for the holistic development of the children, we are in need of applying this concepts inside our classroom, teachers. So first, let's go. So do you have any idea why do you want to integrate the subjects or whatever it may be? Why do you want to do that? Any ideas? Any ideas, teachers? Yes?
Ma'am, it develops their interest and it helps to have a holistic development for the kids.
For the holistic
And
development. Okay, super.
yes, and they develop the practical knowledge, like
Very
they
good.
connect themselves to the practical world,
Okay.
and it makes learning more interesting, improve understanding of the topic.
Okay. Yes.
Different types of learners.
Very good, ma'am. We do have different types of learners. Over
Some
development.
learn through songs, some learn through stories.
Super, ma'am.
So we need to do that
Okay.
for every subject, every concept. It will be
Okay,
easy
ma'am.
to reach everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Super, super, ma'am. All the points are valid, and I'm so happy about it. One more point I would like to add to it. Which subject do you like the most, teachers? This is a common point. Which subject do you like the most? You may be a maths teacher right now. While you were in the school days, some specific subject may be there now for you. Yes. Which subject do you like? Music. Very good. Anything else? Art and craft. Superb. Social science. Superb. So, the motto of integrating language, the motto of integrating all these things is, see, some children, they doesn't like maths. What the analyzation I have made from that, I am saying, some children, they doesn't like math, but they do like science. Is that clear, teachers? If a math teacher is going to just integrate science for a change, if he or she is going to do, for example, just a simple concept, he or she is going to teach addition. Okay, for addition, just he is showing some plants, something else. It is related to science, na? And he is asking the children to count down all the trees which is there in the school. And next, the same teacher is asking to count down the plants. So all together, how many plant and how many trees are there? So this is what the subject integration. Just like that, the teacher has made. See, teachers, one thing, if you are asking them to look around the environment and do something, it creates some encouragement, interest to the children, and as like this they will start learning. So just like that, you have integrated science along with the maths, and so the children will be withdrawn towards your subject also. I'm not saying that they doesn't like maths or they doesn't like this and that, but we do have children's like that. See, one teacher, one of the members said that he or she, they like only music. So why you can't go for the music? Just you sing a song. Okay, just you put one tune for them, then you sing a song for them. Macavity, Macavity is a black bar. Just you sing a song for them, just like that. What suddenly this teacher is doing some miracle inside the class. So just like that, they will observe. Yes, dance. Obviously, you can do, ma'am. You know one thing, teachers. We may be a good dancers. We may be a good dancers, but as a teacher, as we have become a teacher, we might have stopped all those things. So just you utilize these things so that they will be feeling very happy and they will be learning your subject happily, teachers. That is what integrated learning. So one more example I will give for art integration for teaching the fraction. What you will be doing? First you will be going to the board and just you will be writing 1/4, this, that. So instead of doing that, ask children to take a chart. Let them cut that chart. Let them make that as a pizza. Okay. For a pizza, it will be in a circle. No, one pizza. They have divided that pizza into 4 friends. Okay, so you have taught them life skill also. That is what holistic development. You are teaching them the life skill. They are going to cut that and they are going to share it among their friends. So sharing is a life skill, and drawing, cutting, coloring. This they do like all these activities. Instead of and writing 1/2, 1/4, instead of writing this, if you are going to do all these activities, if you are going to integrate art inside your class, damn sure they will be feeling very happy and they will start learning, teachers. And the next thing, we are going to next track, that is technology in teaching. Teachers, do you agree? Do we want technology first of all? Some parents will be there in this group, I hope. Do you want technology, teachers? Yes? Do you want technology? Answers. Don't want technology? Yes? Yes, we want. May I know for what, madam? Yes, superb. May I know for what we do want technology?
Ma'am, it makes learning interactive and engaging,
Madam, please.
improves the visual and listening skills of the students.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, just you put your message in the chat box. I could not get your answer.
I'll do. Ma'am, I'm saying it makes learning more interactive and engaging.
Very good,
helps
ma'am.
students
For
to learn
interactive
through-
and engaging, superb. Yes.
It helps children to learn through videos, sound, animation, cartoon characters,
Yes.
educational games,
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
improve their visual and listening.
Okay. Just now, there was a circular of CBC regarding new curriculum framework. The NEP says that retrain information, very good, better, super point. Those people, what they have said as per the CBSE circular, they are going to integrate AI inside the curriculum. Why, nowadays everything just like that. You can go and type in the chat GPT, just you can put I want the poster for, if you're giving any title, just within 2 to 3 minutes we will be getting the poster, teachers. So using technology in teaching is such an important thing. More than that, nowadays teachers, just we will look back before 10 years, during 90s or this 2000, before the evaluation of this mobile phone, you might have seen children or we ourselves, we might have reading certain story books. Am I right? Yes, we do have the habit of reading the books, or whatever way maybe, there is no gadget in our hand. That is the fact. But nowadays, if you are seeing each and every children at the age of 2, 3, for feeding, if the child has to be fed, the mother is using the mobile phone, just showing and feeding. So these are all the things happening. So from the birth, they were withdrawn towards the technology, and no other go. We have to use technology in our teaching, then only it will be an effective class. So just like that, you create an animation and put that. Okay, so what they will do, they will be attracted towards your class and they will feel very happy. And teachers, we do have more websites, and I will give a few apps for you. Quizlet, Quizlet you can use for framing quizzes for your children, and Grammarly, English teachers can use Grammarly for, yes ma'am, one minute, okay. And these apps can be used for making the quiz. More than that, I will say one thing, in a Google form, just you can create the quiz list one by one, and you can share that to your children for the higher classes. Just you take to the IT room, just you put all the quizzes one by one in the projector, let them participate in that just as an activity. If you're making these things, I'm sure the children will be happy teachers. So this is what innovative pedagogies, and we do have certain websites, just you search it. That's what I said, no, Quizlet, and you can go for Kahoot. Kahoot is a good app, and Grammarly for English teachers. So these apps can be utilized, and you too can search it in the Google for the best apps also, teachers. Yes, now at last we are going to come to the last point, that is teacher-student relationship. Do you agree, for a happy classroom we need a teacher-student relationship? Do you agree, teachers? Yes, obviously you will agree, I hope. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, why, teachers? See, I will say my own experience. While I was there in 12th standard, while I was there in 11th, I used to read chemistry. Okay, I like chemistry. And while I was there in 12th standard, I started to hate chemistry. You know why? Because of the teacher. Because of the teacher. The teacher is very strict. The teachers will be strict at that time. Okay. And more than that, there is no democracy inside the class. Okay. So I am not a very topper. I am an average child. She used to give the importance only to the toppers. So this is what made me to be irritated, and I started disliking her, and I started to develop the hurting towards the subject also. So this must not be done inside our class between all the children. Okay, if the student and teacher relationship is smooth, damn sure we will have good children in our class. They will start liking our subject, listen to students and value their opinion. Yes madam, you're right, which makes students to be more interactive. Super madam, we have to listen to them, and then we have to value their options also. Super. It is a great point, ma'am. Actually, it helps to develop the relationship in between the student and teacher. So what as a teacher, what activity I used to do, you know, whenever I'm going inside the class, after the class completion, we used to have the quiz competitions between the girls and boys, like that we used to have. At last 5 minutes, I will make the children to prepare the question. They will prepare the question, and that question will be asked by them to me. So just like that, they will read all the pages one by one. They will read, and they want me to get loose in that. Just like that, they will read, and then they will frame a questions, and they will be asking that questions to me. So such a beautiful thing. One thing, they will be learning the entire lesson, and the second point, they will be playing with me. Okay, so these are all the beautiful things we can do it inside our class, teachers. Just you try it inside your class. Just you ask your children to, after taking the lesson, just ask them to read a page and let them ask the questions one by one. Instead of myself asking question to them, let them ask the question to us. We will answer. So it is a big thing. They will think it is something different. So damn sure they will start loving yourself. Okay, and more than that, if you want to build a teacher and student relationship, what are the things you have to do? You see, teachers, first you have to invest your time. Okay, investment of time is very much important. Why? You know, without thinking, without just thinking, you can't take all these beautiful ideas inside the class. And use humor, teachers. Sometimes we might have seen some teachers, especially physics teachers and math teachers, just like that. They will be staring and they will be teaching the concepts. So don't be like that. Be interactive. Use some jokes in between. But don't be a joker inside the class. Just in between, you can use some humors. Okay, and the next point, give choice to them. It is very important. Sometimes the children will not feel to write the classwork. Sometimes they will not feel to listen to the class. So if they can't listen to the class, just make some activity for them. That's what I said. No, if you want to build a good relationship between the teacher and student, first thing you have to invest your time in teachers. So give choice to them. If they want to continue the classwork, just do it, or else you move their mood. Okay, you have to understand their moods and then you have to do it. And the next thing, appreciate. Okay, most probably nowadays teachers started to appreciate. Very good, hats off, you are doing that. Even though at certain points by mistake, because of certain things, we may forget to appreciate, that will reveals a lot. Okay, so kindly start doing the appreciation and allot play time. That's what I said. No, for example, I said no, I used to ask the children to read and they will be playing with me, they will be questioning me. So this is what. And be social. Okay, so these are all the points I would like to share with you people to build up your strong relationship with your students. Yes. So the trick to have a happy classroom is to first be happy yourself. And teachers, I'm having one of the question for you. Okay, first just I will type that and I will discuss with you also. You can start answering that, and by that we will end the session also. Okay, I want you to make a poster. Okay, the topic is every child matters. Every child matters or learning with joy. I have given two topics for you. Every child matters or learning with joy. You can select any one topic and you can start doing the poster with some slogans. Will you do it, teachers? Yes? Teachers? Yes, will you do? Okay, I'm giving time for you. Just you can start with that. Just you can start doing the posters. Yeah, I'm typing the topic, ma'am. The first topic is every child matters or learning with joy. You can go for any one topic. Yes, I have forwarded the message in the group, ma'am. Madam, just you can start your poster or you can send the slogans also regarding that. If you are doing poster with the slogan, that is quite good. Yes. learn happily, grow happily. Grow brightly. Super, ma'am. Yes. Anybody else? I hope someone is working on with the poster. Every lesson a joyful journey. Okay, nice, superb, ma'am. I will give some moch for you. Okay, yes, superb, ma'am, superb. Anybody else? Okay, one more message. Okay. Yes. Super, ma'am. Very nice. Children are like flowers. They all bloom at different times and they is in different ways. Great, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. Super, ma'am. Yes, just I have stored this in my PC also, and this will be a great thing for me. Yes, teachers. Two more message. Just a minute. Yes, learning through play, growing every day. Superb. Then embrace the journey, discover the magic and joy in every lesson. Superb, sir. Okay, great. So, teachers, now I would like to one thing. Anybody else will share? Yes, anybody else would like to share something else? Teachers? Okay. Teachers, just I would like to come to the end of the session. Before that, anyone, just you can unmute yourself with your cameras on. I want the feedback on the session along with the points which impressed you a lot. Will you please? One. Yes. Yes, teachers. Teachers.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The session was very interesting, and yes, it was a growing experience for us also. And the art integration, I think, was a great takeaway, integrating art and how to make each subject interesting in your own way.
Okay.
And yes, I think happy me, happy classroom is very apt.
Okay.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, anybody else? You can share the comments also, teachers. So I hope for all the teachers I have to give some moch since you have given a very good slogans. So I will give one moch to all the teachers. Hats off, teachers. Thank you so much. What you have done is a great job. And in further we will be having different types of methodologies. What we are going to, the part what I have touched is not a deep, just the bottom is vast, teachers. So we will move inside that also in the future classes. Sir,
Good evening, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I liked your idea of telling the students to ask the question instead of teacher asking the students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That was a good thing, and by that the students dive deep into the lesson and grasp more. Thank you for that idea.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Punita ma'am. Like always, you are there with every resource person. Thank you for your feedback, Punita ma'am. And